Welcome back to HydroHelp911. If you're facing moisture problems in your crawl space, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the best solutions to solve these issues once and for all. So let's dive in. Step 1, the obvious step. Correct any plumbing problems. This is something that's so simple, but yet common for us to find. Inspect your plumbing system thoroughly. Look for any leaks, drips, or water accumulation and promptly repair or address those. Step 2, we need to stop, manage, and/or redirect any bulk water that may be entering your crawl space. Here are some methods to achieve this. First, extend your gutter downspouts to direct any water away from the foundation. This helps prevent water from pooling near and under your foundation wall. Dig out and waterproof the exterior of your foundation. By creating a barrier against water infiltration, you can keep your crawl space dry. Consider installing a new foundation drain while this is dug out as well to channel water away from the crawl space. Backfilling with gravel also enhances the drainage efficiency. When you're doing this, make sure you regrade around the area of your home to ensure proper water flow away from the foundation. Step 3, install an interior French drain system. This is a highly effective solution with several advantages. It typically takes the most cost-effective option, making it an attractive choice for homeowners seeking a budget-friendly solution. An interior French drain system doesn't impact your home's curb appeal as it remains hidden beneath the surface on the inside of your crawl space. It also minimizes the likelihood of encountering unforeseen problems during installation, ensuring a smoother process. Lastly, it offers the best warranty, providing you with a long-term peace of mind. The next step is to stop hot, humid air from entering through the foundation vents. Sealing them up is crucial to prevent moisture infiltration. Step 5 is to encapsulate your crawl space. This process creates a moisture barrier, preventing moisture from wicking through the piers and the foundation walls. Step 6, install a commercial Apoair dehumidifier. This powerful device helps remove any excess moisture from your crawl space. Also, a commercial grade dehumidifier like the Apoair model is designed specifically for crawl space environments, providing the optimal moisture control. There you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively solve moisture issues in your crawl space. Remember, a dry and well-maintained crawl space is essential for the overall health of your home. If you need help with any of these services, feel free to reach out to us or check us out online at www.hydrohelp911.com and make sure to hit that subscribe button down below to continue seeing videos like this. Hope this helps and have a great day.